we go to my asym, yes, the official one. That is a real game, but it's an obby creator, so it's a game. This is Woodpecker. I bet you know what this is based off of. My friend made it. I did not make this, but I probably would have. He also made this guy, and I made for Annie. We'll talk about her later. This is gonna be a skin. It'd be a lot for this to just be killed. So it's from a game. Anyways, this guy has his own skins. And also has his own intro. Everybody's gonna